This is where raw power is born. Witness the fascinating process of manufacturing a high-performance industrial electric motor. It begins on the assembly line, where pre-wound copper stators are prepared. A worker skillfully inserts them into the motor housings. Next, a powerful hydraulic press ensures a perfect, secure fit, pressing the core components together with immense force. Once the core is set, the rotor, bearings, and end caps are meticulously assembled. Each piece is press-fit with precision to ensure perfect alignment. The motor casing is then bolted together, sealing the internal components. Every connection is carefully secured and tested for quality. Finally, the intricate copper windings are insulated and secured by hand. This crucial step guarantees electrical safety and motor longevity. From individual components to a powerhouse of industry, the process is a perfect blend of machine precision and human skill.